everyone! Today, we're going to draw an adorable cat step by step. So let's get started. First, we'll start by drawing basic shapes to outline our cat. First, let's refine the head. Draw 2 triangles on top for the ears and add another circle inside the head for the snout. Next, let's add more details to our cat's body. Draw the legs by adding small ovals at the bottom and connect them to the body with curved lines. Then, sketch the tail. Now, we'll add some cute facial features. Draw 2 big round eyes, a small triangle for the nose, and a W shape for the mouth. Orange color. A super cute cat drawing.